Hello students, morning only I gave you PDF of our new syllabus, new textbook. So the lesson which we were discussing by referring old book was halogen derivatives of alkanes and arenes. In the new syllabus they have changed the name and the name is halogen derivatives only. Okay, of course alkanes and arenes both are discussed here. Besides that, haloalkenes and alkynes are also mentioned here. Okay, so what is there in this lesson that we will discuss first? Halogen derivatives. Name itself indicates the meaning, derived from some substances by replacing H by halogen atom. Okay, so in the beginning they have given here definition of halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. What is it? I have written here, see the definition. What is it? See the content which is enclosed in the bracket. Replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by hydrogen atom or atoms results in the formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. We studied hydrocarbon lesson last year. Hydrocarbon means what? Compound containing hydrogen and carbon. So hydrocarbon includes alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compounds. So these are all hydrocarbons. Four substances are there. One having carbon-carbon single bond. Other hydrocarbon contains carbon-carbon triple bond. Third one has double bond. And last one is aromatic substances. So if we replace hydrogen of any of this, whether that hydrocarbon is alkane, alkene, alkyne or aromatic, and whatever number of hydrogen atoms are removed and replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms, then the resultant substance obtained is called as halogen derivative of that hydrocarbon. I'll show you some examples. So first example given here is benzyl bromide. See, it was before toluene, benzene ring attached to this CH3. Ignore this Br attached to this. One hydrogen is replaced by Br. So it is toluene, and one hydrogen of this is replaced by one halogen. So it becomes benzyl bromide. This compound they have named as freon 1,2. Freon means compound having fluorine atom in it. So freon 1,2. What this 1 and 2 stands for? 1 means number of carbon atoms and 2 means number of fluorine atoms. So freon 1,2, it means Cl2F2. So it's before CH4 and all 4 hydrogens are replaced by this halogen atoms, 2 chlorine and 2 fluorine. This is hexachlorobenzene. All 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by 6 chlorine atoms. Here also, this is vestrosol. Basically, this is obtained from acetylene, CH triple bond CH. So, its hydrogens are replaced by Cl, and here also addition takes place. Addition of chlorine takes place. In this case also, this is BHC, benzene hexachloride, or we call it as hexachlorobenzene. Its formula is C6H6Cl6. We call this as 666 also. Here still 6 hydrogen atoms are there on each carbon. If you see the valency of carbon, only 3 bonds are formed by carbon here. Means 4th bond obviously with hydrogen atom. So these are all halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Clear the meaning of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons? Means when we remove hydrogen of hydrocarbon and replace it by halogen, then the resultant substance obtained is called as halogen derivative of hydrocarbon. Okay, next point given is classification of these halogen derivatives. So halogen derivatives are classified into 2 ways, which we studied with the help of old book. That classification and new syllabus classification is totally different. They have modified this classification, so listen to me carefully. So here they have given 2 classes of halogen derivatives. One method of classifying these halogen derivatives is hydrocarbon skeleton. Means what is the arrangement of atoms, how atoms are arranged in that hydrocarbon, or which type of bonding is present in that hydrocarbon. Accordingly, it is divided into one class as hydro on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton, and these are called as haloarenes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. As I told you before, alkane, alkene, alkyne and arene, these are all hydrocarbons. So its hydrogen when replaced by halogen, we get halogen derivative. We get halogen derivative. This is first class. Here they have given examples of each class. This is haloalkane. It's before CH3, CH3. Ethane. One hydrogen of that ethane is replaced by halogen atom. Haloalkene. It's CH2 double bond CH2. Here also one hydrogen is replaced by X, that is haloalkene. This is also haloalkyne. One hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom. Same here. It's benzene. One of its hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom. So these are four types of different halogen derivatives on the basis of carbon skeleton or on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. One is haloalkane, second is haloalkene, third one is haloalkyne and fourth one is haloarene. Second type of classification is based on number of halogen atoms present in that halogen derivative. So it is divided into four types, mainly one, mono, di, tri or polyhalogen compounds. Very simple. Name itself indicates the meaning. Monohalogen derivative means only one halogen atom. Dihalogen derivative means they have two halogen atom. Trihalogen derivative they have three halogen atoms, and polyhalogen derivative means they have more than three halogen atoms in their structure. So here some examples are shown. Monohalogen derivative, see this is ethyl halide and phenyl halide. Next one, or halobenzene. Next one, this contains two halogen atoms in it. Here also two halogen atoms. So these are dihalogen. Here three halogen atoms are there. So it's a trihalogen derivative. Okay. Further, they have given classification of monohalogen derivatives of compounds. Now this monohalogen derivative, we don't have to study this di, tri and polyhalogen derivatives in our syllabus. Only few uses we have to discuss at the end. So main topic here is monohalogen compounds. Now what are different monohalogen compounds? They have also given total six types of monohalogen compounds. What are these? See, monohalogen compounds means they contain only one halogen atom in their structure, and they are also classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and type of hybridization. On the basis of position of halogen means where the halogen atom is attached, means whether it is attached to primary carbon or secondary carbon or tertiary carbon. Accordingly, it is classified as primary, secondary and tertiary halide. And we know that primary, how to identify primary? I told you, characteristic group present in the primary halide is CH2X. Secondary means CHX and tertiary means CX. And the second method of classifying these monohalogen derivatives is type of hybridization of carbon to which that halogen is attached. You will understand this point after considering some examples. First one, already we have discussed this, alkyl halide or haloalkanes. Very simple, alkyl group. Alkyl group is obtained by removing one hydrogen of alkane by removing one hydrogen of alkane. Okay, means alkane minus one hydrogen, we get alkyl group. When we satisfy its valency by halogen, then we get alkyl halide. So alkyl halides always have sp3 hybridized carbon. So these are divided into three types: primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Okay, next one. Next point given here, examples of these alkyl halides are given here. See, first one is primary alkyl halide RCH2X. Second one is RCHXR. Third one is R3CX. R3CX. Primary means CH2X. Secondary means CHX. Tertiary means CX. So this is first alkyl halide where all carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized, and what's the difference? Position of halogen is different. Okay. Similarly, second one is allylic halide. Allylic halide means halogen is attached to allylic carbon. And what is allylic carbon? Carbon next to doubly bonded carbon, and that is also sp3 hybridized. In allylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. See this structure. See propene, CH2 double bond CH, CH3, H is replaced by X. CH2 means sp2 hybridized. This is sp2 hybridized double bond. This is sp3 hybridized single bond. So CH2 double bond CH, both are sp2, and next to double bond whatever carbon is present, that carbon is called as allylic carbon, and one hydrogen of this allylic carbon is replaced by halogen, so this is called as allylic halide. Same here, carbon carbon double bond, next to double bond this carbon is present and halogen is attached to this carbon, so this is also one example of allylic halide. Here also carbon is sp3 hybridized. Next one is benzylic halide. Benzylic halide, halide in which halogen atom is attached to benzylic carbon. And what is benzylic carbon? Next to benzene ring, which is directly attached to benzene ring. See this structure, benzene ring attached to one CH2 group, and this halogen is attached to this carbon. Similarly, this halogen is attached to this carbon, which is directly attached to benzene ring. So allylic carbon means carbon next to double bond, and benzylic carbon means carbon next to benzene ring. Allylic and benzylic may be primary, secondary and tertiary like alkyl halide. See, this is primary. This benzylic halide shown here has characteristic group CX, so it is tertiary. So this is based on hybridization. Next one is vinylic halide. Vinylic halide means what? Halogen is attached to vinylic carbon. And what is vinylic carbon? Doubly bonded carbon. In vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. When it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of alkene, then it is called as haloalkene. Vinylic halide is haloalkene. See, halogen is attached to doubly bonded carbon. Here also halogen is attached to doubly bonded carbon. So these two are vinylic halide. Halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. In this case, halogen is attached to sp hybridized carbon, which is called as haloalkyne. It is easy to understand. Name itself indicates the meaning. Haloalkyne. Halogen atom is attached to alkyne, triply bonded carbon. So X is attached to this carbon, which forms triple bond with another carbon. So we call this as haloalkyne. Carbon is sp hybridized. And at last, sixth class, that is aryl halide. Aryl halide, or also we call it as haloarenes. In aryl halide, halogen is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic ring. So when halogen is directly attached to benzene ring, then it is called as aryl halide. And here also hybridization of carbon is sp2. So we have summarized here classification. See, halogen derivatives, these are classified mainly into two types, depending upon hydrocarbon skeleton and depending upon number of halogen atoms. Depending upon hydrocarbon skeleton, it is divided into haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarene. And depending upon number of halogen atoms, they are divided into mono, di, tri and polyhalides. And monohalogen derivative are further divided into 6 classes. Number 1, depending upon position, and number 2, depending upon hybridization of carbon to which that halogen is attached. So here alkyl halide, allylic halide, benzylic halide. In all these cases, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Vinylic halide, here halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Halogen is directly attached to doubly bonded carbon. And haloalkyne, halogen is attached to sp hybridized carbon. And haloarenes, halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, that's all classification of halogen derivatives.